Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to buy Bitcoin on your phone. So for this video, I'm going to be using an app called Coinbase. So after you sign up for an account, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. It's going to show you various cryptocurrencies that you could own, and it shows you your total balance that you have in crypto. So the first thing you're going to want to do after you sign up for an account is go over to the bottom right where it says settings, click on settings, and at this point you're going to want to add a payment method or a bank account. You could do so by clicking add right there and entering your credentials. From there you could go back to the prices tab at the bottom left, and you could select which type of cryptocurrency you want to buy, but for this video we're going to be buying Bitcoin. So click on Bitcoin, and after you click on it you could just scroll down a little bit and you can see you could buy or you could sell. So I'm trying to buy in this video, so click on buy, and at this point you could choose the amount that you want to buy. So if I click on, let's say 100, and then at this point you could preview your purchase. So we're going to click on preview, and it will show you how much of a Bitcoin that you're going to be buying and at what price point, and this is going to be a one-time purchase. And it also tells you your Coinbase fee. So every time you purchase Bitcoin on Coinbase, you'll be charged a fee. For this particular amount, I will be charged $2.99. So if you click on my referral link down below, and if you purchase $100 worth of crypto, you and I both get $100 worth of Bitcoin free. So feel free to do that just to get an extra $10, and that'll basically waive this Coinbase fee. And when you're ready to buy, just hit buy now, and the amount of crypto that you purchase will appear at this top corner. This is how much in crypto I have overall. This video is not telling you guys to purchase Bitcoin or to advise you in any manner. This is just merely a tutorial to show you guys how to use Coinbase and buy Bitcoin. So if this video helped you out, leave a like. And if you guys are purchasing over $100 worth of Bitcoin, click on my link below to sign up, and you can get $10 free. And I'll also get $10 for referring you. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.